All right. I am super excited to announce my newest pattern. I was approached by Windham Fabrics. As you know, I'm a huge fan of what they do and what they produce. Their fabrics are always super on trend, and I love this newest line, Inkwell. It's not available yet, but it is coming. And so they asked me to do a quilt pattern specifically for this new line of fabrics for them. So I'm just giving you a sneak peek of what the pattern is. It's called Rhinestone Star, and it is not for the beginner. Oh my gosh. It's a little tricky, but I'll walk you through it. Like I said, all my patterns come with a tutorial, so I'm going to walk you through step by step to make sure that you can get all these little white polygons all lined up when all those little corners are supposed to meet. Oh my gosh, it is not easy, but don't let that scare you. Come on, if I can do it, you can do it too. And like I said, the video tutorial will walk you through it step by step. Hope you like the pattern. Watch for this new line of fabric, Inkwell by Windham Fabrics, and it will be available soon. And thanks again for tuning in to quiltingcowboy.com.